Hi.
I didn't see you there.
What is the plan today, Mr. T?
So today...
Is that... Gina cuddle.
Yeah. So obviously now we have a different car. We have a we have the division anyway, which we're now going to utilise. So the other day after I did the confession to you, I set about taking the dash and everything out of it. So now this is...
Oh, nice.
Dash is out, engine's out.
Actually, it looks pretty cool. It looks like it's ready to start.
I like this shell a lot more than I like that shell. But obviously for progression, this now just needs stripping. Yes. So today I'm going to be setting about, get the dash out, get the carpet out, get all the plastic trim bits out in case we need anything. Yeah. So the bumper's actually off, even though it's back on.
Wings?
Wings up, just 3 bolts holding them on.
Fine, just 3 bolts, yeah.
I mean, I've owned a Renault 5 before, but I didn't realise just... look at this. 1, 2, 3, and then there's 2 clips at the side. There's 5 clips and 4 screws that hold the dashing.
It's just not safe.
So yeah, we'll get that out of there. Then the engine out maybe today. If not, if we don't get time, we'll get the engine out next time. But it's part of the problem if people want to see what was really... Trying to... Yeah, we had some problems with this one. And we genuinely were going to be fixing it. Yeah. But the more we've uncovered, and I mean we've not even got, obviously we've not got the rear quarter off yet, it seems stupid to chop this up.
When that's already almost fine.
Yeah, exactly. You know, you look around the screen on this one, it's... Yeah, this shell is actually...
It's all the roof here, like...
This shell was a 52,000 mile old shell.
It's a dream boat, mate.
Yeah. Why weren't we doing that in the first place? It's a campus shell and it's an M-Reg, so it's a lot newer. So it's not...
It's not a 5, is it?
The project's took its own path slightly. But that, if we want to build the best Renault 5, then that's the most sensible thing to do. Otherwise we're chopping that up to put it on there. And it's just not. It doesn't make sense.
Right. Like with everything, when it comes to you and me, should we cue the music and we'll stop when you start to break something?
Straight away?
Yeah, I should just stop filming now. No. What's this? Why have you...
If you not noticed, the wheels are off, obviously.
Oh yeah, you got those. It's them stance wheels.
So I tried my new wheels on.
Yeah, how did it? They look good, mate.
In doing it, we jacked it up, and the floor fell through the jack. The jack fell through the floor.
It's got.
And that's hence why the wing started to come off.
But
so we took it off.
It's that low life, don't you know? It's got lows. Oh yeah.
Oh, I don't think it is.
You just said you know it was going to be the right size.
It's different to the other car. So that I can grip the wheel.
Do you know what you're doing?
No! Come here and hold the steering wheel.
Think I'm going to break.
Right then.
Right, well, good. That's on there.
Get some lubricant on it. Something for the weekend.
Oh, 6 on the 5. Well, I probably can't say 6 on here, can I? Maybe I can. Oh. You latched on. Ready? Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Let's go, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Oh. I think we've found the only solid bit in the car. That's one bolt and one fixing point for the seat. So So this started, for the video, this looks horrific. Well, certainly he's horrific. But what I thought was like I'd managed to break one bolt because everything else broke. So I thought I'll just start bending it. And now I'm into it, it's coming out. This way. Or fire.
Or fire. Hammer. Oh! It's gone through the carpet.
It's probably gone through the floor. So how is it still this solid? It's a tea break.
And stay out. Right, you said it was bad.
Yeah, well, I wasn't lying.
That's horrific.
That's horrific strong. I mean, it's the floor, which you can fix floors. Floors aren't necessarily that bad, which they are that bad. But if you might as well go to the other side.
Let me just step over the mound of rubble.
If I pass the light, I'll light it.
Please do. Oh, good lord.
So, yeah, good lord ain't gonna help, really. So these are the things I was talking to Matthew about whether I'm just a total, sorry, I am a total idiot. Stuff like this you just can't see, you know, this was all under the trim. If you look at the dash, if you go around into that door.
Let me step over there, the mound of rubble. Oh my god!
Yeah.
That's the...
Yeah, I mean, if I lean on the steering column, look, that's the top of the, it's pretty bad. So that was behind the dash. So, you know, the stuff that I just couldn't, I would never have seen. I probably should have guessed, but I'd never have seen. I was trying to get the dash out earlier, and I was doing a little pry, and then all of a sudden,
oh,
that's, look.
Oh my god, Tom.
And in my defence, oh my god, you're walking into more doors, just leave it.
Just leave me alone. I'm not, okay, look, there's a small space, you get out of the way.
You're not small.
Is that a fat joke?
It's a spatial awareness joke.
Is that a fat joke though?
It's a spatial awareness joke.
You be careful.
If the crackling fits, eat it.
Have you taken this off already?
Well, we took, yeah, in the video we said we took it off. So kit's
right, isn't it?
It's right, yeah, bumpers off, we put them back in place so that people can...
Do you know what I just see there? Side X exhaust, mate.
Oh, I've just took the screws out of there because you made me. No, well caught. You quick, don't show him. Have you found a screw there? Well done.
It's a dangerous place to leave something with glass.
What, a body shop?
With you around.
Yeah.
I mean, Wreck-It Ralph over here. Why did you almost make that fall off?
Well, I mean, look at the door. You just walked into it.
I couldn't see.
That's Matthew's new front door. If Claire finds out, mate, you're...
How'd you expect me to see? Huh? How'd you expect me to see? I have to show the camera for the joke, that was. How'd you expect me to see?
I don't think there's any question as to why we're going to actually use the new show rather than cut it up. We've found some horrible stuff in here. Horrible, horrible stuff. Whoever built that, shame on you. Shame on you.
And on that note...
thanks. Like.
Go on.
You know,
share and subscribe.
You don't, you know.
See you later.
No.
Yeah, see you later, bye.
Give Tom.
Come on. Yeah.